motion in plane MPL incoming. So today topic motion of what is it? Yeah, Lami's theorem. First we will discuss Lami's theorem. Lami's theorem means three coplanar forces are acting at a point. Okay, three coplanar forces. Okay, in single plane, how many forces? Three forces are acting. It is F1 and F2. Next one F3. Here three coplanar forces acting on a single point. Then the point is said to be in equilibrium state. Therefore, each of force is directly proportional to sine of opposite angle. So here beta, next one gamma. So therefore F1 is directly proportional to sine of alpha, F2 is directly proportional to sine of beta, F3 is directly proportional to sine of gamma. Three coplanar forces are acting at a particular point. Then the point is said to be in equilibrium state. At that time, each of force is directly proportional to sine of opposite angle. Right? So this is Lami's theorem. Right? So from this relation, here F1 is equal to K into sine of alpha from relation 1. F2 is equal to what is that? K into sine of beta, and F3 is equal to K into sine of gamma. Therefore, what is that? K is equal to sine of alpha, or K is equal to F1 divided by sine of alpha. K is equal to F2 divided by sine of beta. K is equal to F3 divided by sine of gamma. Therefore, F1 by sine of alpha is equal to F2 divided by sine of beta. It is equal to F3 divided by sine of gamma. This is relation. Okay, Lami's theorem concept. So, for example, we can consider problem here in given figure. This is figure, right? So L-shaped rigid support. We can consider one string. This is first string. Next, second string. Third string. Third string connected to a weight. Okay. First string is connected to one rigid support. This is A. This is O. Next B. So here 30 degree. This is L-shaped rigid support. We can consider three strings. First string, second string, third string. First string is connected to point rigid support point A. Second one is rigid support point at B. And third string is connected to the weight like shown in this figure. Then we can find, okay, so tension in a string OB is given. Tension in this string is, what is it? Here T1, here T2, this is T3. T2 value, it is, what is it? Given how much? 30 newtons. Then find what is it? T1, and next weight. This is question. So how we can find the tension and weight? Okay, so here first According to Lami's theorem, f1 divided by sine of alpha is equal to f2 divided by sine of beta is equal to f3 divided by sine of gamma. F1 plays first force tension T1, then sine of alpha. Alpha is nothing but opposite angle. Here theta is equivalent to how much? So up to here it is, what is that? 90 perpendicular. 90 plus 30, that is equal to total angle 120 degree, right? So it is equivalent to what is that? T1 opposite angle. Here it is equivalent to 90. Next 120 plus 90. Okay, so here 210, remaining angle is equal to 150. Okay, so total angles inside this, what is that? Quadrilateral, it is equal to what is that? 360 degrees, right? 150 plus 120, what is that? 270. 270 plus 90, we will get 360. So here T1, that is the alpha value. This is T2 tension opposite angle, it is considered as beta, we can consider as gamma, right? T1 divided by sine of alpha. Alpha is equal to 90. F2 is nothing but tension T2 and opposite angle it is sine of 150. Next F3, it is balanced by what is that? Third force, that is equal to weight double by sine of gamma, opposite angle, it is 120 degree. T1 by 1, that is equal to T2 divided by sine of 150. Okay, sine of 150 degree, that is equal to sine of 90 plus 60. Sine 90 plus 60, second quadrant, sine is positive. Here cos of 60, that is equal to 1 by 2, can written as 1 by 2. Next double by sine of 120. Sine of 120 nothing but sine of 90 plus 30, second quadrant. Here sine is positive, convert into cos into 30, that is equal to root 3 divided by 2, root 3 by 2, right? So therefore 2 cancel. Okay, so from this T2 value is known, right? So here again, otherwise from these two, what is that? T1, that is equal to T1 to T2 divided by 1. Okay, T2 value is, what is that? Already mentioned. Therefore T1 is equal to 2 into 30, that is equal to 60 Newton. Next one is over. Next weight, compare on both sides. What you are getting? 2T2 by 1, that is equal W by root 3. 2 into 30, that is equal W by root 3. W is equal to 60 root 3 newtons.